Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add this ripple effect to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this one and I'll select the ripple here. I'm also going to select the 1:1 frame ratio on this as well. Then I'm going to select this, go to blend mode and select screen or brighten. Maybe make it, oh wait, it can't be longer. Okay, I guess we'll use the screen one. Okay, let's do that. Then I'm going to go to the effects section and I'll just type in ripples. And I'm going to select this one and I'm going to adjust it to the effect. Okay, I'm going to put the strength a little bit less than that. That just looks really awkward, honestly. I'm just going to place it in this part of the video. And that's pretty much it. I placed the strength at 11 and the range at 41. And that's pretty much how you can create this ripple effect on CapCut PC. It is pretty fast, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!